Did you know that you can make over $300 per pin on Pinterest? Yes, you heard that right. Stick around, and we'll dive into the best Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy for 2024, showing you how to leverage this visual platform to maximize your earnings. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best Pinterest affiliate marketing strategy for 2024. Pinterest is a powerful visual discovery engine that can drive significant traffic to your affiliate offers. By understanding how to optimize your pins and leveraging the platform's features, you can create a lucrative income stream. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start making $300 plus per pin. Many affiliate marketers struggle to see substantial results on Pinterest because they don't fully understand how to optimize their strategies for the platform. Common challenges include creating engaging pins, reaching the right audience, and effectively promoting affiliate links. Additionally, the ever-changing landscape of social media requires constant adaptation and learning. 1. Understanding Pinterest and its potential. Background: Pinterest is not just another social media platform. It's a visual search engine where users actively seek inspiration and ideas. This unique behavior makes Pinterest a goldmine for affiliate marketers because users are often in a purchasing mindset. Key features: pins and boards. Pins are the core content on Pinterest, while boards help organize your pins by category. Search functionality. Users can search for specific topics, making SEO critical. Rich pins. These provide extra information and drive more engagement. Promoted pins. Paid advertisements to boost visibility. Strategy: leverage Pinterest's search functionality and user behavior by focusing on SEO-optimized pins and boards. Use rich pins to provide additional value and consider promoted pins for increased visibility. Example: create a board titled Top Home Workout Equipment and pin affiliate links to high-quality products. Optimize the board and pins with keywords like home gym, fitness equipment, and workout gear. 2. Setting up your Pinterest business account. Background: a Pinterest business account offers valuable features like analytics, rich pins, and ad capabilities. It's essential for anyone serious about Pinterest affiliate marketing. Steps to set up: create a business account. Sign up or convert your existing account. Complete your profile. Add a professional photo, a keyword-rich bio, and your website link. Claim your website. Verifies your site and provides access to analytics. Enable rich pins. Adds extra information from your site to your pins. Strategy: a complete and optimized profile builds credibility and trust. Claiming your website and enabling rich pins enhance your pin's visibility and engagement. Example: optimize your bio with keywords like home decor expert, DIY enthusiast, or travel blogger to attract your target audience. 3. Conducting keyword research. Background: keywords are crucial on Pinterest, as they help your content appear in relevant searches. Effective keyword research ensures your pins reach the right audience. Key tools: Pinterest search bar. Auto-suggests popular keywords. Pinterest trends. Shows trending searches and topics. Google Keyword Planner. Identifies related keywords. Tailwind. Provides insights and suggestions for Pinterest-specific keywords. Strategy: use a combination of these tools to compile a list of high-traffic, low-competition keywords relevant to your niche. Integrate these keywords naturally into your pin descriptions, board titles, and profile bio. Example: if you're promoting kitchen gadgets, use keywords like best kitchen gadgets, must-have kitchen tools, and innovative cooking utensils. 4. Creating high-converting pins. Background: your pin's design and content significantly impact its performance. High-converting pins are visually appealing, informative, and optimized for Pinterest's algorithm. Key elements: eye-catching design. Use high-quality images, vibrant colors, and clear fonts. Keyword-rich descriptions. Incorporate keywords naturally to enhance discoverability. Call to action, CTA. Encourage users to click through to your affiliate link. Consistent branding. Maintain a cohesive look and feel across your pins. Strategy: invest time in creating visually stunning pins that stand out in users' feeds. Ensure each pin has a clear CTA and detailed description. Consistency in design helps build brand recognition. Example: design a pin for a top 10 kitchen gadgets blog post. Use a high-quality image of the gadgets, add a bold title, and include a CTA like Discover More or Shop Now. 5. Building and organizing boards. Background. Boards help categorize your pins and improve discoverability. Well-organized boards with keyword-rich titles and descriptions attract more followers and engagement. Steps to build boards. Create relevant boards based on your niche and target audience. Optimize titles and descriptions. Use keywords to enhance SEO. Pin consistently. Keep your boards active with regular pinning. Group boards. Collaborate with other users to increase reach. Strategy. Create boards that align with your niche and audience's interests. Regularly update your boards with fresh pins and engage with group boards to expand your reach. Example, for a fitness niche, create boards like home workouts, healthy recipes, and fitness motivation. Pin relevant content consistently and join group boards to tap into larger audiences. 6. Leveraging rich pins. Background. Rich pins provide extra information directly on the pin, such as product details, recipes, or article headlines. They stand out more and often drive higher engagement. Types of rich pins. Product pins show real-time pricing and availability. Recipe pins include ingredients, cooking times, and serving sizes. Article pins display the headline, author, and a story description. Strategy. Enable rich pins for your website to enhance your pin's functionality and appeal. Rich pins make your content more useful and engaging, leading to higher click-through rates. Example, for an affiliate marketing pin promoting a fitness ebook, use article pins to show the book's cover, author, and a brief description. 7. Using promoted pins. Background. Promoted pins are paid advertisements that increase your pin's visibility. They can be targeted based on demographics, interests, and keywords. Steps to create promoted pins. Select a pin to promote. Choose high-performing pins. Define your audience. Target by location, language, device, and interests. Set your budget. Determine daily or total campaign budget. Monitor performance. Use Pinterest analytics to track results. Strategy. Invest in promoted pins to boost your top-performing content and reach a larger audience. Optimize your campaigns based on performance data to maximize ROI. Example, promote a pin leading to a blog post on top fitness gadgets, targeting users interested in fitness and wellness. 8. Analyzing Pinterest analytics. Background. Pinterest analytics provides insights into your pin's performance, audience behavior, and overall engagement. Understanding these metrics helps refine your strategy. Key metrics. Impressions. Number of times your pins were seen. Saves. Number of times your pins were saved to boards. Clicks. Number of clicks on your pins. Engagement rate. Percentage of users who engaged with your pins. Strategy. Regularly review Pinterest analytics to identify high-performing pins and boards. Use these insights to adjust your strategy, focusing on content that drives the most engagement and clicks. Example, if a pin about healthy meal prep ideas is receiving high engagement, create more content around similar topics and styles. 9. Monetizing with affiliate links. Background. Inserting affiliate links into your pins can directly drive sales and generate commissions. However, it's essential to follow Pinterest's guidelines to avoid any issues. Steps to monetize. Choose affiliate products relevant to your niche and audience. Create pins with engaging visuals and keyword-rich descriptions. Insert affiliate links directly in pin descriptions or leading to a blog post with affiliate links. Disclose affiliations. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationship as per FTC guidelines. Strategy. Strategically place affiliate links in high-quality pins and blog posts. Ensure your affiliate products are valuable and relevant to your audience. Example, create a pin for a Best Kitchen Gadgets blog post with affiliate links to each product mentioned. Disclose your affiliate relationship clearly in the pin description. 10. Engaging with your audience. Background. Engaging with your audience builds trust and loyalty, encouraging them to follow your boards and interact with your pins. Ways to engage. Respond to comments. Show appreciation and answer questions. Follow relevant boards. Engage with other users in your niche. Join group boards. Contribute and interact with members. Run contests and giveaways. Encourage user participation and sharing. Strategy. Be active in the Pinterest community by engaging with your audience and other users. Regular interaction builds a loyal following and increases your reach. Example: respond to comments on your pins, join group boards related to your niche, and run a giveaway for a popular affiliate product to boost engagement. The most impactful takeaway from this strategy is the power of combining high-quality content with strategic promotion and engagement. By leveraging Pinterest's features, optimizing your pins, and actively engaging with your audience, you can achieve substantial earnings. For example, a well-crafted pin promoting a high-ticket affiliate product, supported by rich pins and promoted pins, can generate over $300 per pin, showcasing the potential of Pinterest affiliate marketing. To recap, mastering Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024 involves understanding Pinterest's potential and setting up a business account, conducting thorough keyword research, creating high-converting, visually appealing pins, building and organizing optimized boards, leveraging rich pins for added value, using promoted pins to increase visibility, analyzing performance with Pinterest Analytics, monetizing effectively with affiliate links, engaging consistently with your audience. By integrating these strategies, you can maximize your affiliate marketing efforts on Pinterest and achieve impressive results. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let us know which Pinterest strategies you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!